Guten Morgen allerseits. Thought I'd record this video just to explain a little bit about what you're doing. So for anyone that was away yesterday, or as a reminder, I've left the PowerPoint and the live worksheets task up as a reminder from yesterday. For today, can you open up the Dufter Passiv document, which is this one here, read through the first bit, and then watch the short clip before you do the tasks. Okay, so basically it says drag den Text in Passiv change the text to passive. Now all the statements below are in the simple past, what's called the Präteritum. So use wurde and the past participle at the end of the sentence. Where you need to say by the, use von plus the dative. So zum Beispiel, der Norden wurde von den Briten besetzt. The north was occupied by the British. So basically you're going to be changing those into passive sentences, okay? What was done to it, basically, okay? And then what you're going to do, I'm going to leave a little folder with a little booklets in it for you, which has got passive written on the front. Look at the two examples on the top of the page, and then before you do anything else, just open up pages 1 and 2, where you've got the two Beispiele, the two examples. First one, you've got a woman who's cleaning a fridge. Okay, so the first column there says the woman is the subject, and she's doing the the action. Sorry, she's cleaning the fridge. Okay, so she's being active. The second one is the woman is still cleaning the fridge, but now we're saying the fridge is being cleaned by the woman. Okay, so that basically is the Vorgangspassiv. Okay, and all that means is the process passive describes the course of an event. And then in the third column, what is the status of the action? Well, after the woman has cleaned the fridge has been cleaned, okay? We don't need to talk about who cleaned it, but the action is finished, so therefore that is the status of the fridge now, okay? So once you've had a look at the exemplars there, go to the front page and do the 3 exercises there. So you've got present, Präteritum, and perfect. Now remember, with the perfect, you're going to change the haben auxiliary to a sein auxiliary. Okay, now that will probably do you for today. If not, if you look on page 3, there is a page with passiv mit Modalverben. Well, I want to talk to you about, talk over that with you tomorrow. Okay, so, yeah, have fun. Work together, remember. Tschüss.